What's up, guys? Welcome back to Budget Rebuilds. We got another quick flip for you today. This is a buddy of mine's bike. I sold it to him 7 years ago. It looked a little different when I sold it to him. It looked like this. And he took it and painted it his color and everything else. But long story short, it's been sitting for 3 years. I was hoping to get it like it sat, where it had dust and everything else, but he went ahead and pressure washed it before I bought it off of him. But I guess main goal is we're going to put a battery in it, which I've already done. Haven't started it yet or anything else like that. And he had laid it down before he painted it, and these are bent, so his new saddlebags won't go on it. So we're going to go ahead and take off all this stuff, put the Street Glide style saddlebag support bars on it. And this bike originally had copper wheels front and back, or copper plated wheels. And so I already have the front wheel off. I wanted to keep the rear wheel too, so I'm just going to put a stock rear wheel on it also. So I guess what we'll do right now, go ahead and get it up in the air, get those bars off, get the rear wheel off, and start changing stuff out. And I don't anticipate it not running. The gas in it, yes, it's 3 years old, but it was running fine before, so I'm sure we put a battery in it, it'll probably start. Worst case scenario is we'll have to drain the tank and put some good gas in. Dang, that's playing very tight on there. There's my other wheel. Just got a little hose clamp on it. Moving on to the other side. So these little tabs got bent here. I'm going to go ahead and grab a big pair of pliers and just straighten them out real quick. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pull off the rear wheel and going to take the shocks loose, so it'll give me more room to drop the wheel down. Easiest axle sliding out I've ever done in my entire life. I'm so proud of myself. got our pulley and rotor switched onto our new old wheel. And let's just hope these bearings are spaced the same. Cool. Ta-da. Alright, we're going to go ahead and snug down the bolt here for the rear axle, and we'll go ahead and put our saddlebag support bars on. And we'll go ahead and put our muffler on there. This thing has full Reinhardt exhaust too. It's pretty cool. We found the elusive muffler nut. I guess that's what you call it. Melissa was stepping on it.
I don't think that they know it's missing.
No. Well, we had a missing muffler nut. We found it. Melissa was stepping on it. I'm going to go ahead and try to give this a start. We put a hot battery in it. And I can hear the fuel pump running. Sounds real good. Yeah, hell yeah. For 3-year-old gas, it ran pretty damn well, I'd say.
Sounds good.
All right, I guess we'll get it outside and put the seat on it, pin the bags on it, and take it for a spin. Take this thing for its maiden voyage. I haven't rode this bike in like 7 years. So we're just doing one video on this bike. It was just a quick flip, get it back and going again. Didn't really have to do much to it at all, other than a battery, and we saved the old wheels. But it's a pretty cool bike. Somebody spent a bunch of money on it in the past. It's got a hot rod motor in it. I have no idea what's done. Apes, obviously stretch bag, and it's got a billet front wheel. We're posting this bike for sale, so if you are interested, let us know. It's $6,900, and again, this is an 03 anniversary, 100th anniversary Road King. So.
And always, guys, we're trying to get our videos out Sundays, 1 o'clock. That's all of our Harley videos, so be on the lookout for those. If you haven't already, subscribe so you get the notification so it reminds you. And we're also going to start trying to put out some other videos, like Josh said in the last one, about plastic cars and just some other fun stuff. So make sure you follow along. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Thank you.